Welcome to Paradise Resort Gold Coast and our standard resort rooms located in Cleo's Castle. Let's go! Cleo's Castle is a short walk from reception and our main facilities. These rooms overlook the gardens on Burt Avenue, or if you prefer to overlook the action, you can upgrade to an aqua view, which will offer views of either our junior water park or dunk tank. Our standard rooms can sleep up to 4 people and feature 1 queen bed plus 1 single bed. For the 4th person, you can choose from either a rollaway bed or a baby cot, depending on the needs of your family. These rooms have all been hooked up with a smart TV, as well as complimentary Wi-Fi, so you can stay connected to all your favorite apps such as Netflix and YouTube while you're on holidays. And although our rooms at Paradise Resort are hotel style, they are not equipped with a full kitchen. However, you will still find a small bar fridge, kettle, and complimentary tea and coffee sachets to make your stay more comfortable. In the bathroom, you'll find a bathtub and shower, all in one, plus bath and body products including bath towels, a hairdryer, hand soap, shampoo, and body wash, which will all be replenished as part of our daily housekeeping services. These rooms are also fitted with an air conditioner to help beat that Gold Coast heat, as well as an iron and ironing board, plus a balcony with tables and chairs. As one of our original room types that are yet to receive the full princess treatment, our guests often rate this a 3 out of 5. So if you just need a comfortable place to rest your head after a day of many adventures and want to be close to the action, this room will satisfy your needs.